Hi, I'm Brandon with Porch Windows Direct. Our video today is going to show you how to replace the vinyl in a vertical 4-track porch window. I'm going to talk about the tools that you use to do that. We're going to show you how to do it. And then at the end of the video, I'll talk about why we chose the materials that we chose, and we'll have links in the description below for those materials. The tools here are a simple spline roller wheel that you can get off the shelf at your local hardware store or home center, a small punch tool, or a screwdriver with a very small tip. So this is a flathead screwdriver. The tip of it is maybe a 1/4 inch or so. The smaller the better. We're using that to pull the old spline out of the channel. And then a regular old utility knife or box cutter with a good sharp blade makes all the difference. So those are the few tools that you're gonna need. Watch our video here, we'll show you how to do it, and then at the end I'll talk about the materials and how to get those. Let's get to it. As you can see, the process to replace the vinyl is not very difficult. It just takes some time, practice, a little bit of patience, but you can do it. If you know who the manufacturer was of your windows, I would recommend reaching out to them. If it was Eze-Breeze or Sunspace, Craft-Bilt, reach out to them and they can probably put you in touch with a local dealer who can get you the specific vinyl and spline that they use in the process. If you are a customer of Porch Windows Direct and have our Extend Porch Windows, you don't have to do any of this. Drop a comment below, after you like the video of course, and let us know. We'd be happy to do this for you. We have a lifetime replacement guarantee on our vinyl and are happy to take care of it for you. If you don't know who the manufacturer is, then the products that I'm recommending here are ones that I've used over the last 15 years and have found them to be the most versatile to fit any of the different manufacturers. Now, I wouldn't go and buy a whole roll of the vinyl or a whole big spool of this spline without maybe getting a sample and testing it first to make sure. I have used this vinyl and spline on a number of different manufacturers' products and have had success with it, but I would test it first before you go out and make a big investment. In the description below, we'll have links to the vinyl that we use and to the spline that I find to be the most universal and has worked in any of the panels that I've done them with over the years. So give it a try, see how it goes. Drop a comment below and let us know how it's going for you. If you have any questions, we'd love to hear from you and we'll help however we can. Thanks for checking out our video. We'll see you on the next one.